Hello again. Like many people, I have been a little puzzled why London seems to be free of the grooming gangs, which have been such a scourge in the rest of England, from Bristol and Oxford to Bradford, Leeds, and Rochdale. Why is this kind of thing not happening in the biggest city in the kingdom? It's a mystery, no? Part of the explanation emerged in January, when the Conservative leader in the London Assembly asked Sadiq Khan, and repeated the question no fewer than 9 times, because he was being so evasive, whether he knew of grooming gangs in London. He eventually replied as follows, asking her to clarify what she meant by grooming gangs. He said, "I'm not clear what she means." Well, of course, if he doesn't know what grooming gangs are and is ultimately responsible for policing in the capital, then of course he couldn't be expected to answer that question. I am bound to observe, though, that he must be about the only person in the United Kingdom who doesn't know what a grooming gang is. It's easy enough to explain, though. A grooming gang is a group of older men, usually over the age of 30, who prey on vulnerable young girls using flattery, bribery, and threats to persuade them to have sex with multiple men to whom they are not related. There, now that wasn't difficult to explain, was it? In July, he had asked around, evidently, and was able on Tuesday, July the 1st, to assert confidently that, and I quote, there are no reported cases and also no indication of the grooming gangs that she is concerned about in London. This was, it will surprise nobody to learn, a barefaced lie. In fact, as the Commissioner of Police for the Metropolis has now admitted, there have been 9,000 suspected cases of such things in London over the last 15 years, which works out at 600 a year, or around 10 or 11 a week. So, since 2010, there have been two grooming gang type incidents reported to the police in London every day, Monday to Friday. 11 a week, week in, week out, year after year for a decade and a half. There are only two possible conclusions. When Sadiq Khan said publicly, and in the description to this video I give a link to the transcript published by County Hall, when he said there are no reported cases and also no indication of the grooming gangs in London, then one of two things has happened. Either the Commissioner of Police for the Metropolis has lied to him, feeding him false information, or the Mayor of London was lying to us, feeding us false information. At least one of those men has been lying his head off and concealing sexual abuse on an industrial scale in the capital. And about that, there can be not the least doubt.